asking me, how do you know?
What does it say, Mom?
Stand by.
You gotta press like you're taking a picture again.
Yeah, I did.
No, anak ko sulat ko kanina. You want ice-cream?
It's so far.
Will you lean back little bit?
Linda.
Yeah.
Linda.
Yeah.
Linda.
Yeah. That's good.
That's a dance. You
Yeah.
know that?
Yeah. No, I don't.
Do it.
No.
Do it. Linda. Linda. That's a teacher. I want to talk to them. I want to do it.
No, I don't know this.
I don't know who it is.
Who?
It's my friend.
No, 264.
That's my friend.
Who?
Jerry.
Hello?
Hey, Jerry. Told you. He don't like you. He don't like
Jerry, does Jennifer yun eh.
No.
Who's that?
Jerry made Jennifer. Calvary. That's his name. It's a she.
The what?
It's a she.
What's he?
Like Lisa. See a shirt?
This is your shirt. It's your
Your
dentist.
doctor,
Your dentist shirt.
your dentist.
Yes, it's a she. She has a thing in it.
Is the one who remove your ano?
No, she has ketchup and bangkal. And like that.
Kaya matangka ko nga si taba nga ako no ipaka-ekwan niya kami. Ito.
Okay? Huh?
You want puding?
Puding.
Puding!
Makakanas ko.
I don't wanna eat, Mommy.
You need to take the medicine.
I lost 2 pounds.
Yeah. You're gonna lose it.
No, I'm gonna lose 10 more. And then 5.
Yeah.
And then 6.
No,
Yeah.
I will give you ice cream.
I'm gonna be 50 pounds.
I'll give you ice cream anak ko, okay?
Ice cream.
Yeah, so that it will your sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah,
I don't
you
have
want that?
sugar.
No, you want that they operate.
Electrical. Yung electrical.
Paano na yung battery dito?
I prepare them. I will ice
I
cream.
want to eat ever again.
How can you go take your medicine?
Because we have to go to Todai first.
Tuday. Okay niyan. Tuday yung kapal. Tuday.
We'll go there in
No!
Christmas.
Ichiban! Dami sushi? Sushi?
Sushi.
Sushi.
Sushi. How can you chew that?
He's gonna chew it for me.
Yeah, but you cannot chew it yet.
He's gonna chew it and then I'm gonna swallow it.
You are like Alice. You are like that when you are small.
Yeah.
You know, if you cannot chew the food that I chew first, then I'll give it to you.
Yeah! I want him to do it.
Play with her.
Matulog ka na nga. Listen, you sleep now.
Mommy.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes so you keep on talking there. Oh, that thing's coming out.
Sunshine is sad.
Why?
Because it's
No, you have to.
Because why?
That only to so that you can rest
Because
yourself.
I was texting him until like 3 in the morning. He's sad. And he says that Sarah left him and she didn't give him a reason. And then she said that she doesn't think he could move on because she's looking for a person. And she's like, just love, love. Right? And then
Meron na.
I said, he inspired me.
Bumili
He's not
na.
inspiration.
The
We're
what?
gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Love you. Then why are you not here? Huh? Huh? a pretty boy.
Take a nap, anak ko.
No, you're so weird.
So that you can
Ay, po.
rest, anak. You can rest. You cannot rest.
Can I nap when I'm ready to nap?
Even
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 Oh, say hi to your daddy, Master Chief.
No.
so that you can
No.
30 minutes.
Daddy.
Master Chief. Master Chief.
Master Chief. Hey.
You go like this. You wave your hands.
You want like this? I have a lot. They give me a lot like this. I don't need it.
You gonna give some to Master Ganalito?
Oh, I have cotton upstairs. I'm gonna Q-tips. Q-tips.
You're gonna give Q-tips to who?
After going pregnant. We can go like this. Oh, silly people. You're silly.
Dara na kami. Stop talking, anak ko.
I can't help it, Mama.
You wanna chew ice, nako?
Ew.
Yes,
You wanna drink something cold?
dapat mayroon pa
Ay, ice pack!
I want a slushy.
ice. Oh,
Go to Sonic and buy me a slushy. I want to try watermelon. Hey, baby.
Just a little bit.
I charged it to full that. Hey,
Just a little bit. You used it all. Hmm?
You don't love me anymore.
I do.
You think I'm ugly, huh?
No. You're party. Hmm.
No, give me.
Hmm? You have blood there.
Here.
Yeah, you have blood there.
Hmm.
You have blood there.
Hmm.
That, yeah.
You're lying.
Shut up. You need to go to sleep or go eat. You need to eat. Why not?
But you make me know.
Oh, yeah?
You know.
Oh, yeah?
You don't love me.
Oh, yeah? Like that, like that.
I know.
Like that, like that. You feeling okay now? No? Hmm?
What's that?
Hold that so it's not gonna get swollen. Your face is gonna be Don't do that. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. Matulog ka na, Anton. Makakain na kami.
Yeah, baby.
Hmm?
Yeah, baby.
Hmm?
Oh.
I'm thinking she drinks slushy.
No.
She can't?
I could do anything.
It's
I
like a
don't know.
juice
Drink.
then.
Hoorah!
Parang juice.
Hoorah!
Malamig yan. Gusto mo ba ng slushy?
I want a slushy.
Hindi naman ano yun di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Smooth lang It's ano. like, it's Pero hindi juice. siya pwedeng mag-straw.
Oh.
Kasi yung pagsak mong gano'n,
Yeah.
di ba? Ano yun?
That's smoothie.
You want shake? You cannot eat anything in a straw. You cannot use a straw na ko. Because when you sip it,
McDonald's?
the more the blood's gonna come out. Ice cream na lang. Yung
No!
shake. You like the shake? I mean,
Smoothie.
hindi nga pwede, anak ko.
Smoothie?
Yeah, but then you're still gonna suck that. You're gonna sip it.
Spoon.
Oh, sige. Pwede na mag-spoon yun, di ba? If
Mm-hmm.
ever.
Yung
slushy. Yeah.
No, I want a smoothie.
Smoothie?